having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a week in my life. Well, I'm going to attempt to do a week in my life. We will see if I make it through. Hopefully I will. I have tried to film one of these videos for months now. So today's actually Tuesday. It is like Tuesday, I think the 3rd. Yes. We just came off of Labor Day weekend. I was at the cottage all weekend. It was so much fun. It was really nice. Today everybody is gone back to school. People started new jobs. I'm still doing the same old thing. You're gonna see this week is quite busy in terms of working and all that stuff. It's not a usual week, but it's still, I got enough going on to make some content and all that stuff for you guys. There are a few things that are new that I wanted to come on here and talk about instead of just doing like me showing you clips of me doing work. I went to Bath & Body Works and I picked up a few autumn candles. I actually picked up, it's still a little bit hot. I don't know why I just picked that up. It's still a little hot. But this is Marshmallow Fireside, which is my absolute favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. I absolutely love it. I bought the Marshmallow Fireside candle, I bought Sweater Weather, and I bought this new one called Autumn Harvest. I'm really happy with it. It's like if I don't burn all of it in October, I'm not mad about it because I can continue burning it through Christmas. It's like very cranberry and pine, if that makes any sense. It's very nice. I like it. And then another thing is this company called Euphoria sent me a phone case in the mail last week, and I think it is beautiful. Like, look at this like marble design. I think it's quite pretty. It's right now focused on my face, so give me a second. There you go. Now you can kind of see it, but look at how pretty that is. I really like it. I like how it's hard. Like, it's not a soft case, which is really nice. I'm very impressed. It comes out a little bit, so when it like falls down, it's not gonna crack your screen or anything. I do want to film a what's on my phone. I have a ton of apps that I want to share, and I figured that like that's the best way to talk about them because I'm obsessed and have really helped me out in my life. So it has gotten me back on track in the way I want to go. So I think sometime soon I'll either film a what's on my iPhone video, or I'm gonna do like a get productive, get back on track with me kind of video. So let me know what you would prefer. But anyway, I just figured I would just mention their company because I'm really impressed with this case, and they're not too expensive. So I'll leave all the links down below, and you can go check it out. But oh my goodness, my face is so red and I look like I have no neck because of my turtleneck. Hey, I'm sorry about my little shots earlier at work. I couldn't really film anything. Wow, this turtleneck is very interesting. Yeah, I couldn't really film anything because I was at work. So those little shots I got, honestly, it was really boring and I just did desk work. I usually don't work like that. Like sometimes I'm in production and stuff. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get a bit out there and do some fun stuff, but I don't think so just because we're really busy right now in terms of things that need book and desk attention. So anyway, pretty boring. Afterwards I went to the thrift store. Honestly didn't really find anything crazy. Oh, I left them upstairs. But I bought season 3, 4, 6, and 7, I think, seasons of The Office, so I'm very happy about that. I have been watching The Office since I was like grade 9, I think, so that it's been a long time. So I figured since they're taking them off Netflix, I got all 4 little seasons for, I think it was $10 or $9.90 or something like that. It was pretty sweet. So I grabbed that. There was a really pretty marble granite tray that was $10, and it was beautiful. It was really heavy, but there was a weird stain on it. I probably could have got it off or like varnished, or I don't know, like I could have fixed it a little bit, but I you know, I looked at it, I'm like, do I really need this? No, like, you're okay not to get it, so I put it back. Somebody else who will probably want it a lot more than me will find it, so that's good. And then I found a beautiful slip dress, and I didn't even try it on. I went to the change room to go try it on, and I like got a whiff of it, and I was like, wait a second. I was like, oh my god, is that me? And I was like, wait, no, it's not. And I smelled the dress. It had the worst BO. Oh my god, I can't even describe to you how bad it smelled. Oh my god, this stunk. So I was like, I don't want to try anything on anymore. So I kind of just like left it at that. There's a beautiful blazer coat that was stunning, but it was too big, and it was a little expensive for a thrift store, I guess. Like originally it was $159. Like it was a full price, tags were still on it, but it was $69. I don't know, it was too big. It wasn't really worth the money for me, so maybe if it was my size I would have bought it. So yeah, so now I'm back home. I have changed. Yeah, I changed into these comfy like fall clothes because I needed to post an ad going on Instagram tomorrow, so that'll be up by the time this video goes up. So I'm working with Thai Express, so I went to the mall, picked up, came back here, shot photos with it, then ate it for dinner. Yeah, so now I'm doing a bit of work. It's about 8 o'clock, which is really late for me to start getting work done after I've been at my other job all day. So I have a lot of emails to catch up on, and I need to do a thing for Instagram. I've been doing this thing talking about board games. I'm really into board games. I've done a few videos in the past, so you can go check them out. I'll leave them down below. But I really like them. So today, everyone on Instagram voted 59% wanted to see drinking games and 41% wanted to see family-friendly games. So I'm going to do drinking games tonight, and then next week I'll do fam-friendly games. So I'm going to stop talking because this has been a while and been long, and I'm going to do some work, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is another busy day. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh, hi. I'm so tired. This whole week is just so weird because it's a short week, so we had Monday off. I was up at the cottage, and then Tuesday I'm usually at work. Like Tuesday's my only day I'm in office. And I was just not feeling well. I still am not feeling 100%. Like I'm just frustrated with that. But so I stayed home and worked from home, but to make up from that time I went in yesterday, and we're just really busy right now, so I went in today as well. I'm so tired and there's so much to do. Anyway, I made it home, just complaining, and switched into my cozy sweater, sat down on my chair, and realized I forgot to go to the grocery store. So, what we're doing right now, so I'm gonna bring you along with me, and hopefully we can make it out of there as soon as possible so I can put my sweatpants back on and just make dinner and crawl into a hole. Here I am thinking that it's Wicked cold out and it's all this. I'm freaking sweating to death. I am hot. Okay, groceries are done. Now home to make some dinner, eat it, and put on my comfies, and clean, and do more work. So we're actually at the Smashbox foundation launch. I am Tay's +1, so thank you for bringing me.
Yeah, anytime.
This is so fun. Most important part. Look how cute those are. Oh my god. It's so cool. So many goodies.
Grab one just to do it, but
yeah. Just look at how cute this whole setup is. And there's like a confetti cannon over here. It's so cool. I'll pop the photos on the screen now because they're just amazing. Makeup looks beautiful. That foundation is stunning. And I'm not even saying that because we're there. I don't know what it just dropped. I am so surprised. The girl didn't use any concealer on my face, just the foundation. She contoured, she did the highlight. I think that's beautiful. All Smashbox. Oh my god, all Smashbox products. There we go. I'm obsessed with the lip. I added a little bit more gloss because that was starting to fade after I had a snack. But I'm just obsessed. I took all the makeup off just because I'm heading up to the cottage right now and it was a little intense for what I was doing. So I'm like, but I love the makeup. I just think it's beautiful. I can't stop staring at my skin. So Taylor, if you're watching this, thank you for bringing me as your +1. Next weekend we're going to the L'Oreal Paris event, so now she's my +1. So it was a pretty cool little experience there. We were talking about events and stuff. But yeah, so I will leave all of her links down below. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this or today's video or what I did this week. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I really enjoyed filming this. It was really cool. So maybe I'll do it again sometime. Let me know if you liked it. Well, thank you so much and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!